Hi, I'm Blythe Stevens, MFA and Bliss Catalyst, and founder of A Blythe Coach, dance education and coaching to move through life with balance, grace, and power. I'm excited to share with you today another variation of a previous exercise that I shared on the YouTube channel, and that was attempting tendu and a delectable dégagé that involved opening and closing the legs, a flex and a stretch of the foot, a pas de cheval scoop and reach, leading into undercurves and overcurve. So in the past videos, which if you didn't see them, you should check out, we practiced this in parallel position with no support from a bar. So it was more of a modern, contemporary, or jazz variation, although the technique works really great for ballet as well, to strengthen the feet and legs, work on the balance, and transferring the weight through undercurves or chasses, as well as overcurves or piqués. So today, as promised, I'm sharing a turned out or externally rotated from the hips version that can also be done with a bar for support. So this is more of a classical ballet variation of that exercise. So let's jump right in. We'll start from a third or a fifth position, so gently rotated from both hips as we set that up. And then for the tendu version, we're gonna just make a simple preparation with the arms, reaching one hand onto our bar and the other hand either to a second position here at the side or just place it on the hip if you want to focus on the leg action instead. Tendu will slide across the floor to the front to point 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 on the third tendu, we will flex the foot and then roll heel ball toe again to point. And then we'll pas de cheval, we'll scoop and reach. And Temps Lié, so transfer the weight through fourth position. Temps Lié twice, once to the front and once to the back, returning where we started and close. A la seconde, we'll tendu side and close, and 3 and 4, 5 to flex, roll through, pas de cheval will take us to the side into a Temps Lié undercurve and return to your bar for support and close it in the back. Derriere will go back to 3, 4, third tendu, flexes and stretches, pas de cheval scoop to reach, move back through Temps Lié and forward, and the last time side, we'll take 2 and 3 tendu, flex and stretch, scooping and reaching, Temps Lié away from our bar, Temps Lié towards our bar, and close. You could end with a balance or just turn right around, and we'll start on the other side. In the turned out position, it's extra important to make sure that our standing leg is turning out along with the working leg. So sometimes the tendency will be as we're turning out this lifted or working leg that the standing leg will want to go with it. But we are in turnout, we're having to create some resistance or some counter pull between both of the legs, which can be a really nice stable position once we get the hang of it. A special thanks to Megumi Kopp for her gracious permission to use this music in my YouTube videos. This track is Lovely Hula Hands, tendu, and it works for this sort of stretchy tendu exercise as well as others. You can find Megumi's music from Hawaii. It's all ballet music from Hawaii on Spotify, iTunes, and anywhere you might wish to buy high quality ballet music. We have 1 tendu and 2, 3 flex, stretch, scoop and reach. Temps Lié forward, Temps Lié back. A la seconde or side, 2 tendus, plain, Third one, flexes and pushes. Pas de cheval. Temps Lié away from your bar. Temps Lié towards, close it and back. To the back derriere, tendu. Tendu, flex, stretch. Scoop and reach, pas de cheval. Temps Lié to the back. And moving forward again, last time side. Tendu, 1, 2, 3, flex, stretch, pas de cheval. Temps Lié away from your bar, Temps Lié towards your bar. I'm going to close this foot in front and check my balance. You can join me if you like, or just move directly to the other side. So we can détourner. Let's slowly prepare. There's a few more counts here. This lovely little interlude, so we can check in on our third position or fifth position on the other side. Here we'll make our preparation for the left or the second side. And here we go. Tendu devant to the front. Third one, flexes and stretches. Pas de cheval. Temps Lié forward. Temps Lié back. A la seconde. Tendu to the side. Tendu flex and stretch. Pas de cheval. We'll move away from our bar, back towards our bar. Close to the back. 2. Tendu flex and stretch. Pas de cheval, scoop and reach back. Move back to Temps Lié, move forward, last time to the side, tendu. 2, 3, flex. Push. Pas de cheval. Temps Lié away. Temps Lié towards. And we'll rise. You could also take this moment to cambre or stretch. Whatever completing shape or movement you want to try. And transition to the other side to complete the whole combination. Finishing with dignity and poise. And appreciation. Thanks so much for joining me. Go ahead and like this video. Let me know what you enjoyed down below, and I'll see you next time.